Metallurgy test number 2, review. Pulling it open. Somebody hit that, my God. The response is through the roof. What materials are related to iron? Your choices are ferrous and non-ferrous. Remember, if you don't know this by the end of the class, it's bad. Really bad. 17 responses. 94% of you were 100% accurate in ferrous. What materials are related to iron? No, you're not having deja vu. We're going to give that 6% a chance. Do you think this is important? Yep, yep. Ferrous versus non-ferrous. 100%, all right. It's ferrous materials. Metals other than iron alloys are called what? Ferrous or not ferrous? What the hell? 94% of you were 100% correct. Metals other than iron alloys are called what? Let's try this one more time. Somebody just do it just to do it? Who's doing it just to do it? Come on.
I'm doing it to see if my remote works. It
No. Is it working?
doesn't. No.
It's supposed to be a light, because mine's not lighting.
Here you go. Catch it? It's
Probably
coming.
not. We'll see
Oh,
what
I
happens.
got it.
Get a little closer. There we go.
How do you know if it's working?
Cool.
I don't know. There.
It doesn't really matter. What is the process of heating ores to a high temperature in the presence of a reduced agent such as carbon or coke and of a fluxing agent to remove the gangue called? Electrolysis, roasting, smelting, furnace reduction, or direct reduction? Smelting, 75% of you were 100% accurate. Electrical grade copper requires a further refinement and is done through what? Electrolysis, roasting, smelting, furnace reduction, or direct reduction? 2 seconds, hurry up. Alright. Uh-oh. Electrolysis. Where they put the electrodes down and separate it out. Can't read that. 67% I think it said. Copper ore is smelted in a reverberatory or electric furnace to produce an impure alloy called what? Copper, blister copper, alumina, or matte? Matte. Let's see, do I have another one? What metals are collected at the bottom of the tanks and removed from the sludge in the production of copper? Gold, silver, iron, manganese, both A and B, none of the above. Both A and B, gold and silver. 79% of you were 100% accurate. What is the zinc ore found in the USA called? Franklinite, bauxite, taconyte, goethite. Those are all ores. 67% of you were correct at Franklinite. That is a smiley face answer indicator. What state did Franklinite get its name from? New York, New Mexico, New Jersey, or Alaska? I ran out of news on that one. I need one more. 94% correct. New Jersey. The final part of refining zinc is obtained through what? Electrolysis, distillation, roasting, smelting. 92% of you are correct with your star answer indicator. Distillation. What is the most common lead ore called? Galena, bauxite, siderite, magnetite. %68 of you were correct in Galena. Molten lead is drawn off of what part of the tank? The top or the bottom? %89 of you are correct, drawn off the bottom. What percentage of the Earth's crust is made up of aluminum? 6%, 6.5%, 7%, 7.58, 8.5, or 10? %89 of you are correct, 7.5%. It's a big percentage, right? The most common, or what is the ore most used in the production of aluminum and is found in very rare places called? Alumina, bauxite, galena, siderite. Apparently I didn't put a countdown there. 91% of you still got it correct, as bauxite is the most common aluminum ore. Refining of bauxite goes through two processes. The second produces aluminum oxide called what? Alumina, galena, goethite, or siderite? %88 of you are correct with a star answer indicator. It is alumina. How many slides is that? 17. All right, everybody good to go? Yeah. I'll go make copies. If there's something on there that you didn't know, we can study it real quick.